going on, guys? It's Elias. Welcome back. In today's video, let's talk about what's going on in the world. I know a lot of you guys are affected by what's happening here, and I wanted to get on here and update you guys how this has affected me, impacted me personally, as well as my projects that I'm working on. As you guys know, I'm working on the WRX, I'm working on the Tiebar race car, I'm working on my S2000, and things have definitely been a little bit sidetracked now with what's going on. Everything is in quarantine, everything is a little weird, so let's go ahead and talk about what's going on and give you guys kind of a channel update. So first I want to say I hope everyone's doing well. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. I know some of you guys have lost your jobs, some of you guys have gotten actually sick. I live near New York City. I actually have a few friends that unfortunately caught this nasty flu virus, whatever you want to call it, and it hasn't been very good. But thankfully, I'm here in Pennsylvania in the woods. I haven't had that many issues, and I really haven't been impacted that much. But with that said, I hope you guys are doing really well wherever you are in the world. I know a lot of you guys watch from all over the world. One little caveat, 95% of you that watch are not subscribed to the channel, so make sure you hit that subscribe button down there if you appreciate me doing these videos for you guys. I know it just takes a little click there, just subscribe. Truly appreciate it if you do. But anyway, I wanted to give you an update on the Tiebar. I have a whole bunch of parts ordered for this thing, and there's a lot of things I want to do to it, but unfortunately right now I'm a little delayed. It's been about a month since I've ordered a whole bunch of stuff. I'll give you some teasers. I ordered a wing, ordered a splitter, ordered suspension parts, I ordered some engine parts, and none of that has come in at all, so I'm a little bit stuck. So it is what it is. That's what we're dealing with. In addition to the aerodynamic bits that I've ordered, I've also started taking a look at some wraps to get on the car. I'm not sure exactly what to do. I'm gonna do some kind of race livery here. I might do a YouTube logo on the side. I don't know yet. I'm still thinking about it. I was working with somebody down in Philadelphia trying to get the proper design for this car. Unfortunately, he had to close shop, and progress on that has stalled completely as well. So we'll see if he even ever comes back to work. We'll get this started up again. I've also wanted to take this car and install some of the bits and pieces that I wanted to install in the engine bay and things like that, but most mechanic shops are closed unless you're doing regular maintenance. Race shops have been closed. So it's been a little difficult for me. Not really a big deal. I'm kind of talking about first world problems here. I'm trying to build a race car. How many people are building race cars these days, right? Looking over the S2000, as you guys have seen in the video, it is unfortunately broken. I broke the S2000, and I have not been able to get over to Billman to fix the issues with the car, but we will get that done as soon as possible so I can start driving the S2000. It is almost summertime. I'm hoping we can get this thing out here and driving around. Heading over to the WRX, unfortunately, again, my plans to get it restored have been stalled. My shops that I was talking to that gave me some awesome quotes, they're still willing to do it, but they are also closed as of today, so I haven't been able to take the car out and get it fixed. I really was hoping that by now I'd have my WRX back, but unfortunately, we don't have it back yet. There's also some developing news that I was gonna let you guys in on with the Prelude, and again, that has stalled. There's some things I'm gonna do to it. I'm trying to get one of my buddies to join me on my race adventures. I want him to use my Prelude as I use my Tiebar, but he has been stalled. And then finally, the ZR2 here. There are some big changes coming to the channel when it comes to the truck. I'm trying to actually, and you might have heard it first, or you might have heard it in my previous videos on the ZR2. Unfortunately, because I can't, there really is limited capacities to delete and tune it, I don't want to keep a diesel long term that you can't delete and tune. So I think I'm going to sell this and get something else, probably an X5 diesel. Unfortunately, again, everything's been delayed. I've had to stop here. So personally, how has this impacted me? Well, my parents, they live in Rockland County, New York. It's one of the most impacted counties in the United States. and they've been on lockdown for like 2 months now. I told them to lock themselves down. Nobody can visit them. I can't visit them. I miss hanging out with my parents, and they miss coming here and helping me out with the house, and they have not been able to. As soon as I can, I'm actually gonna do some videos with them. I'm gonna put them in the race car when it's built. It's gonna be a lot of fun, but until then, we'll have to wait. And yeah, my job, I've actually been working way harder than usual. When economics are down, that's when I'm called in to try to mitigate the issues and fix the problems wherever I can. I do director of operations. I'm a director of operations for a large accounting firm, an international accounting firm. And if you know anything about people operations, it's all about making sure we're doing our job effectively, making sure we're efficient, making sure everyone's kept busy. And it's gotten really tough to make sure of that because everyone's working from home. We have to ship out laptops, ship out routers, and all kinds of crazy stuff is happening. So it's been really tough on me in terms of work. I've been working 12-hour days, 10 to 12-hour days, 7 days a week for the last month and a half now. I'm hoping things start getting back to normal soon and I can get back to doing what I love. All right, guys, this was just a short little video. I wanted to get on here and basically say hello to you guys and make sure you guys are okay, and hoping you guys are enjoying the videos I've put out. I've been putting out 3 to 4 videos a week for the last 3 or 4 weeks, so I've really been working hard this last couple months, but honestly, it's been worth it. I'm blessed that I'm able to do this with you guys and for you guys. If you have any questions, as usual, put them down below. I love answering them either by video form or I just answer them directly. You can email me at realflyingato@gmail.com. Guys, I am really looking forward for things to be going back to normal, and I think they'll be going back to normal very, very soon. So stay tuned for a lot of fun stuff. We're gonna be just fine, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. Peace.